we wrote a cob book. This book is meant to answer some of the questions that aren't already out there in published format. Cob, which is also called monolithic adobe or coursed adobe in English, and has many other names in many other languages, is a mix of clay subsoil, straw, water, and sand that is mixed wet and shaped in place on the wall. Cob construction offers many benefits. It reduces the amount of wood used and the amount of carbon emitted in the building process. It replaces toxic materials with a healthy living environment. It offers a lot of artistic expression and more. Cob construction costs vary widely depending on what you build and how you build it. If you keep your design simple and you supply your own labor, cob construction can be very inexpensive. On the other hand, if you plan something complicated and you hire a labor force, expect cob to be as expensive or more expensive than the conventional equivalent. This book on cob updates information on design and construction and publishes never-before covered content on permitting, building science, engineering, and cost for cob construction.